Price is always a factor when selecting a repair option. We'll reveal useful information to help you navigate this tricky landscape.
Did you know raising concrete with polyurethane is often less expensive than mudjacking? Our polyjacking quotes underbid mudjacking on a regular basis. And a mudjacker might tell you polyjacking is too expensive. Polyurethane is, after all, a far superior product, and the material itself does cost more than a mudjacker mud. However, the polyurethane delivery system is far more efficient and sophisticated when compared to the system that mudjackers use. Advancements in polyurethane technology have created a better product, one with higher efficiency and reduced labor costs. These substantial cost savings are then passed on to our customers and are one of the reasons why we regularly underbid the competition. If you receive a polyjacking quote that is significantly higher than mudjacking quote, look into the provider of the service. Is the provider an actual concrete raising specialist like Acme Concrete? Or is this a company who simply offers polyjacking as an add-on service, like a waterproofing or a concrete installation company? A waterproofing company who offers polyjacking as an add-on service will undoubtedly sell concrete raising services at an inflated rate. It would be similar to buying a gallon of milk at a convenience store. For the best service at the greatest value, don't sell for anything less than a company whose primary focus is polyurethane concrete raising.